Bring it back, nigga. I'ma clean.
Reppin' double B's, bitch. Reppin' double B's, bitch. Squad. Don't get nailed, bottom, hammer, bottom.
Running quietly. Oh, Paul! Happy birthday, this is my uncle right here. Oh yeah, we got these too. We got this type of shit too. Don't forget about it, we got that new shit too. Don't forget about it. G, what up? We got this too. Mike, what you on out here, man? I know what it is, Mike. What car club you in? Oh! I can hear the man. We're getting ready for Father's Day. YouTube. You see, we're working on all our shit real quick. We getting ready for this Father's Day thing. Oh yeah. My shit all the way back put together too. New gaskets, everything new. You see all that new shit up in there, all this shit new. New plugs, new plugs down and everything new. Everybody getting ready. Father's Day coming. The show Saturday. Today Thursday. By the time I upload this video, it'll probably be Friday after 12. But you know, we all ready. We got this shit all together. My bitch wired up. Got all my chrome back on. I still gotta see my seat sitting right there. This is nothing though. Tomorrow all this shit will be put together. I'm gonna give y'all updates. Oh, my third brake light in. I got my brake light in. I got my brake light in, y'all. I'm gonna let y'all check it out on the little relay joint. I got it hooked up to the little batteries that came with it. Check it out. Woo, you boy. Turn signal. Brake light, turn signal. Brake light, turn signal. Oh yeah, y'all see me. I'll let your boy. I got my iPad in there. My iPad gonna be hooked up. Got the JVC detachable face. Up one touching. Yeah. So I got all my chrome and shit back on today. Everything looking good. Everything looking good. Put the dash in tomorrow. All the interior pieces in tomorrow. Got them Zeus components in here. You know what I'm saying? Oh yeah. It's on, y'all. It is on. I got another little double den down there too. This on some bullshit. I'm gonna sell that bitch though. Digi Dash going in tomorrow. I'm gonna give y'all the update on that too. Been sipping on that Patron. I know y'all can hear it in my voice smoking on that loud, that OG. I still gotta take my moped home. I ain't gonna ride it home tonight. Look at the bitch. Yeah, we out here. CRCC, Chain Reaction Car Club. Yes, sir.